Hello friends and welcome to Sunny Tech YouTube channel. So in today's video we are going to make an app in Thumbcable. So without wasting time, let's get started. But before that, give a like to this video, share this video and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. So let's get started. So as you can see on the screen, I am in Thumbcable's website. So here you will see a get started button, as well as in the top right side you will get a login and sign up button. So if you haven't created an account, just click on sign up. Then after you will find three options for sign up. One with Google, second with Apple and third with mail. So you can choose any of these methods. So I have already created an account, so I will click on get started. So after that you will see an interface like this. So now we are going to create an app, or we are going to build an APK. So you can see, and starting here it is start building, so click on it. Then after you have to enter the name of the project, so I will write game. Okay, you can choose according to your wish, and here category, so it's an optional, so if you want you can choose, else you leave it. So I choose this game. Okay, then click on create. So after that you will get this interface. So here you can see platform review, where you can find videos.
Hi there, and welcome.
Thumbcable. So you can watch it by to build an app here, and here you can see arrow. You can change the videos also. Okay. So let me give a introduction of it. So here you can see a design section. Here design blocks. In blocks we are writing codes. Okay. In design we are designing. Now here you can see screen 1, which is here. So if you add anything here, it will display here. Means suppose I have added a button here like this. So you can see here, you can delete it by clicking on it. Okay, so now in this, here you can see add components. So here you can see you will find button, label, text input, web viewer and many more things like we are using in App Lab or Game Lab. Okay, and in the right side you will see a designing, means from here you can design the preview. Okay, suppose you want to give the background color to red, kind. Okay, light kind, so you can change it. Okay, then you can background picture you can also add here. You can alignment, you can see. So here you can do changes. Now in this video I am going to make a APK of a game which I created in code.org. Okay, so let me take it. So I am going to give this T-Rex game. So if you want to make this game, the link is in the description. You can watch how to make it. Okay, so I will just copy the link, and then after here, now from here you can search for web viewer. You can see now if you want to use web viewer, just drag and drop it here. Okay, see, so it is here but you are not able to see, so it is invisible. And if you are using like buttons, so they are visible components, and web viewers, and there are many more which are invisible. You can see invisible components. Okay, Now here you can see the URL option. So just give the URL here. Now you can do the changes like height, width, then visible, make it true, then margin top. So if you want to give margins, you can give, and padding, border, color, style. So if you want, you can choose. Like here you can see its screen. Okay. Now after that you want to download your app. So here you will find a download button where you will get two options: download iOS app and download Android app. So if you want to download it for Android, just you click on it. Okay, and it will automatically starts after some time when process completes. Okay, now here you will find a publish. So you can directly publish your app from here in App Store, which is in iOS, and Google Play Store. And for that you have to buy it, Google Play Console, and it's cost $25. Or you can directly go to Google Play Console and you buy it, and then you can publish. So how to publish in the Play Store, so I have made a video on it also, so you can also find that video in the description. Okay, now here you can see a live test, so you can test your app here. Okay, so because the preview as a responsive web page, so it is not loading now. So when you install this application, you will find, means you will able to use your app. Okay, so that also I will show you. Here you can see a make a copy, and if you want you can share it also. So just click on generate a link and copy it, and then after you can share it to your friends. Okay, so you can see it's reloaded, and here you can see a language setting, community, and if you want app, you can see the documentation or tutorial. Here you will see an arrow where you will find all the videos: platform review, translation app, image recognition app, position components. So these are the videos, and if you watch these videos you will able to work on it, and you will able to make this app, like this translation app. So they will teach you how to make a translation app. Okay, and you can see stored information. Here you can see app variables, stored variables, cloud variables. Okay, so you can learn coding here also. Okay, so if you have any doubt, just tell me in the comment section. Okay, and if you like this video, give a like to this video, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. So see you in the next video. Till then, good night.